The all-new, all exciting for 97 Toyota Tacoma four-wheel drive sport pickup truck. It's what dreams are made of. This Toyota Tacoma will take you to places you've never wanted to go. And it'll get you there fast. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The Toyota Tacoma four-wheel drive sport pickup truck comes with four-wheel drive and a special ARE top. So if you need to haul things securely and safely, it can do it. Oh yeah, that's right. It can do it. The all-new, all exciting for 97 Toyota four-wheel drive pickup truck. Pick one up at your Toyota dealer today.